this year UPSC has increased the weightage of current affairs questions in prelims 2026. The first and foremost issue of the current affairs is that there are multiple sources, PIB, different newspapers, different government websites and whatnot. We'll end up compiling almost 50 to 100 pages per day. What aspirants do? They try skipping the current affairs for the timing that up kar lunga, right? Maybe I will do it next month or maybe next month. So they keep on postponing it. Let me tell you one thing very shortly. On all days, you cannot spend more than 1 hour daily basis. And on Sunday, you cannot spend more than 6 hours. And that is why every year you will see, a lot of aspirants taking the name of Sunya IAS on various platforms. Because we try to cater to the masses by decreasing the price and increasing the quality. Please do not try to judge the batch with the price. It has absolute quality of content, absolute quality of teaching, and exam relevant approach. So we're getting many requests regarding the details on the ICA 2027 batch. As you might all know that this year UPSC has increased the weightage of current affairs questions in prelims 2026. Although the questions were random, no doubt, but nevertheless it is now the duty on our side to be well prepared when it comes to the current affairs. So since last many years, many of the toppers undoubtedly has recommended Sunya IAS as the single, trusted and reliable source for the current affairs. Hence, in this video, I just wanted you to understand that why so many toppers have been relying and recommending Sunya IAS for the current affairs. Before I even go to it, before I even explain you the components of our ICA batch, let's understand what are the different problems in current affairs. The first and foremost issue of the current affairs is that there are multiple sources, PIB, different newspapers, different government websites and whatnot. Apart from that, the content dumping culture is there when it comes to the current affairs. You get too many PDFs of too many institutes with too many sources, right? And now in the era of AI, it is very hard on your part to identify that ultimately what you have to read. Even if you will sit to compile the PDFs or maybe the relevant things, you will end up compiling almost 50 to 100 pages per day. That is the current trend which is going on in the market, which is almost, let me say, which is non-practical or unpractical. The idea is that these issues lead to the broader issue of time management. What aspirants do? They try skipping the current affairs for the timing that up kar lunga, right? Maybe I will do it next month or maybe next month. They keep on postponing it. Maybe then before the prelims they will pick up some compilations, then from the compilation they will try to mug up everything, and that is where they lose maybe at least 4 to 5 low hanging questions in the final examination. So this leads to the time management because we are not able to identify how to optimize the things. Let me tell you one thing very shortly. On all days, you cannot spend more than 1 hour daily basis. And on Sunday, you cannot spend more than 6 hours. So if I have already, posted a time management strategy video for the current affairs where I have clearly explained, I've calculated everything and I've guided that please give 1 hour each on daily basis. And on Sunday, give 6 to 7 hours to the current affairs. And you don't have time more than it, right? The other issues are the students are not able to identify, what current affairs notes they have to read, what they have to skip and all those things. Then daily आ रहा है, monthly आ रहा है, compilations हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें. Then highlighted है, अब तो newspaper का कुछ highlighted करके भी आता है. Then students find, lot of analysis on the YouTube by various institutes. So what to do, what to skip. Repetition हो रहा है, right? The same thing has been, conveyed on all the days if it is coming in the news. Then poor return on investment. Why? Because students are involved in this and hence they end up giving even 3 to 4 hours per day on the current affairs, which is absolutely, undesirable if you are serious for the UPSC CSC. And if you want to know why, I will post the link in the description of my current affairs strategy video. Just try to go through it. You'll get a lot of practical and scientific insights because I have shown the calculation that why I am making this claim. यार 1 घंटा daily Sunday को 6 से 7 घंटे is more than enough, and cannot go beyond it. Okay. Now let's see how we are trying to fix it. First of all, we are trying to fix it through the batch which is integrated current affairs 2027. The fees is very genuine. I mean, you know, the most affordable batch you will get in the entire industry. No doubt, it is hardly 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. Yeah. The batch is for the entire year. Do not make the mistake of comparing the quality of the batch with the price. The price is affordable because that is something which is very close to Sunya IS. We try to take the quality to the best, and we try to keep the price to the lowest so that we can cater to a larger range of serious aspirants. Okay. And that is why every year you will see lot of aspirants taking the name of Sunya IS on various platforms, because we try to cater to the masses by decreasing the price and increasing the quality. So don't worry, you will get the quality which is better than the big institute, and let me very proud on this. So we have divided the ICA batch with the prelims plan and the mains plan. In prelims plan, it is divided under 4 different heads. And if I deal very crudely, 3 different, what I can say, 4 different ideologies are being incorporated in it. First is daily. Second is periodic or weekly, you can say. Third is monthly. And fourth, the last ideology of this batch is year wala. Here, yearly revision kaise hoga? So in order to ensure that you are having the good coverage of current affairs, we have daily dose as the part of this batch. What is daily dose exactly now? If I talk about daily dose, sir and ma'am, in daily dose, what we are doing is we are compiling whatsoever is the best and the relevant news from the current pattern point of view. Hardly in 6 to 7 pages, we are compiling the news on all important topics in newspaper. We are even reading the subtitles, we are reading the editorials, we are reading all of it very extensively to hunt out the headings. Then we are searching for the relevant content, or we are researching the relevant content. We are adding the points in the exam format, exam relevant manner. It is not AI, it is human, right? So that you are able to grasp the content much more better. It is logically arranged within the subheadings. So in 5 to 6 pages per day, you are ready with everything which was there in the news. For example, whatever I am reading right now is the daily dose of 5th July 2026. On daily basis, you get these PDFs as the first thing. And in that video of my current affairs strategy, I guided you how to go about it. Okay? So this is the first component of ICA batch. Second component of ICA batch, again by we are calling this as the batch because of the classes. We have the weekly classes. The classes will be conducted only on Sundays. 2 classes, 12 to 2:30, then maybe 3 to 5:30 or 2:30 to 5. So 2 classes a week, that is on Sunday, we are occupying you, that is it. So we have the prelims classes, we have the mains classes, okay, for the current affairs, where we are helping you to make the class notes as well. Make sense? Then we have the monthly magazines, famously known as Sunya Notes, as a part of this batch. Okay. The monthly magazines, whatever you are getting is already being taught in the class, so you can always replace them or else you can get in touch with the teacher that how to go about it. Then the last and the very beautiful, very famous component is Samadhan. So Samadhan comprises of 2 things. First is yearly compilation or the yearly current affair compilation, which we generally release in the month of February. Secondly, in this Samadhan sessions, I myself take 5 to 7 day-long lectures and I make you revise the entire syllabus of current affairs for that year. And you won't believe me, again I am iterating the fact that these batches combined has the best direct hit ratio till date for the current affairs. And we have already posted the proofs in our Telegram channel. You go, you verify. I will post the link in the description as well of the proofs of the direct hits in 2026. Okay. Then mains mein, again we have the classes. Just a small catch that mains classes here will be taken by me or maybe any other super mentor. Prelims classes here will be taken by Hansika ma'am. Samadhan classes will be again taken by me only. Okay? So these are the regular prelims classes to be taken by Hansika ma'am. Samadhan classes will be taken by me, so that again you are revising everything with me, day long classes. Mains classes will be either taken by me or maybe the other super mentors, maybe Amrita sir or anybody else. So under mains we are having the classes again on Sundays, those two classes. So those two classes can be both of prelims, one of prelims, one of mains. So we just need 2 classes a week. Then we have one pager current affairs note. That is where you will see the difference which this batch creates in your entire UPSC CSE mains preparation. Let me promise you. And if you don't believe me, just compare this component with any batch whatsoever in the market available right now. What you're getting here is the best content of Sunya IAS, which are one pager notes exclusively for the ICA batch. For example, see this. The topic is Asha worker. We have the context here. We have the proper analysis on roles and benefits bifurcated as per the structure. That if I'm saying about roles and benefits, what are the Asha worker related benefits? What are the health indicator related benefits? And for women empowerment, what are the benefits? Each point is followed by the argument and then value added by the value addition. And again, I take lot of proud to say that this content is human. Generally, what we are seeing right now is people are dumping the content from the AI directly. And I will not take any name, but that is the case right now in the entire content voila, scenario. So this is something which is very unique, very exam oriented. You will see the things will make that difference altogether here, because this is something which you are getting along with the class. So in the classes, for example, if we are dealing with the topic of, let's say, first pandemic agreement. So you will be getting these notes within the class itself, and these notes have the value addition also. For example, the Asha worker, you have the data, you have the keywords, you have the selection criteria, way forward, government initiatives, everything is holistically there in the one pager notes of mains. And again, I am telling, this is something which will create a difference. Okay, for prelims also, whatever hits you will see will be more than others. The pedagogy you will be seeing will be exam relevant, and whatever content we are bringing on the table is the most comprehensive one. Okay, for mains, the other components are periodic magazines, so we compile the same thing. So if you're doing this, you don't need this. Similarly, if you're doing the classes here, you don't need the monthly magazine, because whatever is there in the monthly magazine will be a part of class notes. Then we have the Samadhan classes again of mains. We are taking this year also, we will be taking in your year also, generally conducted in the month of June. So Samadhan classes for mains will be conducted in June 2027. Samadhan classes for prelims, that is the yearly revision classes, will be conducted in Feb 2027. Again, I am telling one thing, please do not try to judge the batch with the price. It has absolute quality of content, absolute quality of teaching, and exam relevant approach. So if you're someone who is trying to think to register or want to get more details, what you can do, you can message us, WhatsApp us, call us on this number. If you want to register directly, just go to the website www.sunyaias.com. Just hunt out over the website. You will get a integrated current affairs batch 2027. That is where you have to rest your case. Thank you. See you in the batch.